If you're up for checking out just one ad, you'll snag $1.22. Watch 10 ads, and you're looking at a cool $12 coming your way. Today, I'm pumped to introduce you to this awesome new app that's all about making money. This app actually hands you cash for each ad that pops up on your screen. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. How it rolls. Step 1. Punch in AdSlice in the search bar. Either hit up the first result or swing by adslice.com. This app is where the magic happens. It lets you rake in the bucks by simply checking out ads. Stick around for the full lowdown in this video. You won't want to miss anything or you won't be cashing in. I gave this a whirl myself and I'm here to share my outcomes and the proof that the payments are real. Right now, the app plays nice with web browsers, though mobile might hop on board later. To get in on the action, you'll need to grab the plugin or extension. That's what'll drop those banner ads onto the sites you browse. Imagine this. You're scrolling YouTube or Googling stuff and bam! AdSlice ads are right there. These ads are sprinkled across tons of websites, and the more you peep, the more you bank. You don't even have to click them. More details are on the website. To get that extension, hit up the Add to Chrome button on the site. Installation process. So after you hit Add to Chrome, you're off to the Chrome Web Store. Tap Add to Chrome once more to get that extension installed. Already, more than 30,000 folks are on board, giving it a thumbs up. Once it's in, shut that window. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. Setting up your account. First things first, make an account and link up the extension. Just for signing up, you'll grab 10 free slices. That's a sweet deal. Since AdSlice is fresh, this is your shot to jump in early. Use your email ad and a password to sign up, confirm your email, and boom! You're in your dashboard. Linking the extension. Tap Connect to hook up the extension. Now you're all set. Your dashboard spills the beans on your account deeds, your transaction history, and the ads you've caught sight of. When it's time to cash out, you can hit the road with as little as 35 cents. They've got PayPal, Bitcoin, and more as options depending on where you're at. Ways to rack up the bucks. AdSlice serves up multiple paths to pile up some dough. Gamers can hitch their Twitch account to score from ad views while they're streaming. And you'll get treats for bringing buddies into the mix. Tossing in more browsers means more moolah. Do yourself a favor and scan through reviews on places like Trustpilot. The fact that this app is hanging out in the Chrome Web Store is a stamp of legit. The wrap-up. To sum it up, AdSlice is the real deal when it comes to making some cash just by cruising the web and taking in ads. It won't make you a millionaire, but it's easy peasy and newbie friendly. With that extension running the show, you'll be snagging bucks from ads all over the place. The payouts are quick, and you only need 35 cents to scoot some cash your way. So why not dive into this opportunity, especially if you're not a tech whiz? If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video!